The following instructions are for the assembly of the mobile tote storage. Before beginning, make sure you have the tools required for this assembly. Start by placing the cabinet on its side on a protected flat surface. Then, align the casters with the pre-drilled inserts. Use the 1/4 20 by 25 mm joint connector bolts to attach the casters to the base cabinet. Then, use a 4 mm Allen wrench or a 4 mm hex bit with a screw gun to fasten the bolt into place. Repeat this for all of the casters. Next, you're going to position the cabinet right side up. Make sure to have the two locking casters levers pushed down to secure the cabinet in place. Now, place the top onto the base cabinet and align it with the pre-drilled inserts. Using the 1/4 20 by 35 mm joint connector bolts, insert the first bolt through the pre-drilled insert up into the top, going through the inside of the base cabinet. Then, use a 4 mm Allen wrench or a 4 mm hex bit with a screw gun to fasten the bolt into place. To finish the assembly on the mobile tote storage, insert the drawers or totes as shown here. After the casters, the top, and the totes are assembled inside, your tote storage should be looking awesome and ready to use. If you have any questions, please call our customer service today.